There is an uncomfortable truth that almost no one realizes. The internet today can be the greatest wealth building tool in history, or the greatest distraction machine ever created. And the most frightening part, most people are using exactly what could make them rich to become poorer every day without realizing it. While some are building million-dollar businesses with a phone in hand, others are using the same device to consume empty videos, compare their lives to others, and spend money on things they never needed. And this may be happening to you right now. A few years ago, getting rich seemed like a distant dream. You needed capital, to know the right people, to be lucky, to be born into a structured family, or to wait decades working. But the game has changed. Today, someone can start from scratch and build income using only the internet, knowledge, and consistency. However, there is one detail that no one talks about. Most people do not fail due to a lack of opportunity. They are too distracted to notice what is happening. They fail because they are anesthetized. Your phone wasn't designed to help you thrive. It was designed to capture your attention. Every notification, every short video, every infinite feed, every ad, everything is designed to keep you consuming because your attention is worth money. Big companies make billions while you scroll aimlessly. And here is the irony. The more time you spend consuming, the less time you have to build something of your own. Most people think they are just resting, but in practice, they are trading hours of their own life for cheap dopamine. And this has an invisible cost, a financial cost, a mental cost, a future cost. The biggest financial mistake is not overspending. It's also not investing incorrectly. The biggest financial mistake is spending years without developing assets. Average people sell time. Rich people build assets. Finance teaches something simple. Assets are anything that puts money in your pocket. It can be investment, it can be business, it can be knowledge, it can be audience, it can be a digital product, it can be a rare skill. But to build assets, you need to exchange consumption for creation. While many spend hours watching content about wealth, few actually build something that generates wealth. And there is a huge difference between looking productive and truly changing your life. Consuming videos about money is not the same as organizing your financial life. Studying entrepreneurship is not the same as being an entrepreneur. Watching content about investments is not the same as investing. This confusion makes many people feel busy while they remain stagnant. There is a type of poverty that does not appear on the bank statement. It is mental poverty. It happens when a person starts to believe that they will never get anywhere. When you get used to surviving, when you stop dreaming, when you accept debt as normal, when you believe that financial freedom is only for others. This is dangerous because the brain adapts to the environment. If you spend years repeating the same habits, your mind starts to treat stagnation as identity. You stop thinking, I'm in a bad phase, and start thinking, this is who I am. And it's at this moment that many people give up without realizing it, not because they failed, but because they never really started. Now think coldly, the same cell phone that distracts you is creating anonymous millionaires. People selling courses, creating channels, writing ebooks, doing digital marketing, working as affiliates, investing, providing online services, building an audience, monetizing knowledge. While some use the internet to escape reality, others use it to build freedom. The tool is the same. The difference is the intention. And maybe that's the hardest thing to accept. You might be just a few habits away from the life you want, but those habits require a decision that most avoid. Stop running away from your own responsibility. In a few years, two things can happen. You can look back and realize that you used this digital age to build wealth, learn about financial education, and transform your reality. Or you may realize that you spent thousands of hours consuming the lives of others while neglecting your own. The truth is that time will pass regardless. Compound interest will continue to work. The market will continue to change. Inflation will continue to erode idle money. Opportunities will continue to arise. The only question is, will you be prepared when they arrive? Or will you still be telling yourself that you'll start when you have time? Because a person's financial future rarely changes in a single big event. It changes in the small decisions repeated every day. In the video you choose to watch. In the knowledge you decide to learn. In the money you decide to save. In the skill you choose to develop. In the time you decide to stop wasting. In the end, your phone can be a prison or the exit door, and that choice is silently being made by you every day. Now tell me in the comments, are you using your phone to thrive or just scrolling through your feed? And if you like this video, leave a like and share it with those who need to open their minds. I'll leave this video here to help show you the right way to thrive. See you later.